Hey everyone, it's me. If you've watched my videos before, if you haven't, then I'm Allie. You should watch my other videos, even though they're like 2 or 3 years old. That'd be cool if you watched them, thanks. I decided to do like a kind of sunset eye. So if you like the way this looks, and you would like to see how I did it, then just keep watching. So I'm just gonna dump my makeup out all over the floor. On the floor, on the bed. I don't know words. You all need to see these freaking cute brushes from Tarte. Like, oh my god. I love cacti. I saw these, I had to get them. Even though I'm a poor bitch, but I love them. They're so amazing. They're so soft. I just wanted to inform you of that. Anyway, so I'm gonna start off with the Cover FX Mattifying Primer plus Acne treatment. She looks like this. I just put this everywhere. Okay, now that my face is nice and red, or we're all primed up, I move on to the eyebrows. And yes, I do my eyebrows before I do my foundation. Come for me. I use the shade Taupe. Just gonna fill them in like I usually do, and I might shut it. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, I love how I say that and then I just continue to mess with them. Anyway, now is the time that I put on concealer in my eyes and then I do my eye makeup. So I use Tarte Shape Tape, of course, like every single person who does makeup uses, or I mean, I guess everyone on YouTube. This is a It Cosmetics brush. It's the Airbrush Concealer one. I honestly didn't know that this brush was for concealer and always use it to blend out concealer in my eyes. So that's something cool. I'm putting a little bit in the middle because I got it like between my eyes. I really wish this was like a Jeffree Star and just be like, hey, what's up, you guys? Like, that would be iconic. Like Jeffree. Okay, now I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. Wait, James Charles palette. I can't talk behind it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna set it. If I can get it open. Sorry for my hair, by the way, but I'm gonna take these two right here. I'm gonna take these two, and I'm just gonna use the same concealer brush and set my eyes with it. My cat's just sitting there judging me silently. If only she could speak. I don't even really want to know what she has to say about me. She's like, you're a weirdo. I know. I know. I'm going to be going into this yellow shade. I'm going to put it like all over my eye and hope for the best. I'm using this cute little brush. I'm so excited. I love anything like this because I'm weird. I don't know, but just packing in. This brush works so good. Oh my god. And this eyeshadow works really good, but this brush, and I pull it down to the lash line. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take little bit of yellow on this like blending fluffy brush. It's a Tarte brush. I got it literally like 3 years ago. And I'm just gonna like blend this out. And I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip into orange. This little shade right here. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of the orange and put it on my waterline like I did with the yellow, but not going in as far. There's a big old truck. I feel like I'm just like not close enough for you guys. So take a look. This is what we got going on right now. A little messy, I know. I feel like this side is darker than this one, which is usual. So, oh my god, look at that. I have an eyelash. I thought I felt something on my eye, but I wasn't sure. That freaks me out. Anyway, I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm going to go in the red. I'm going to put in my crease, add more depth, because again, this is like a more like sunset look. I'm sorry, I just did those hand gestures. That was atrocious. I apologize. And this is what it looks like so far. Still looks messy. Now I'm gonna go into this purple. If I can tell you which one. I'm gonna go into this purple. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it in the crease and bring it down to the waterline or lash line, lower lash line, and just give a little bit more depth. Okay, I know, I look really crazy. So this is what it looks like. So far so good. I'm just gonna blend out the top of it. And I was thinking about putting on eyeliner, but I don't think I'm gonna put on any eyeliner. Not today. It doesn't feel like an eyeliner day. I'm sure some of you can relate to that. I'm just gonna go into the white and brown that I used earlier, the same thing I did to set my eyes. And I'm just gonna blend out the top. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to conceal the places I feel like I need extra coverage. And I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just buff it out. And then we're going to move on to foundation. I guess in some of these areas I don't need extra coverage, but I don't know, it just feels appropriate to put it there. Oh yikes, I got some dry patches on my face. That's not good. It's been very, very cold here. We haven't had much of a winter recently, but if for some reason has decided to be the 7th layer of hell and just freeze over Ohio right now. So, having good fun with that. But we're gonna move on to foundation. And I use the Urban Decay All Nighter in shade 0.5. And I'll just blend this out. Okay, so now I'm going to take it down my neck. My neck is like, I guess it's not darker than my face. I don't know why I always feel like it is. I also really should have used a face scrub today because she got dry skin. So now I'm going to set my face, and I use the Coty Airspun powder. This smells like an old woman, but yeah, it works really well. And I use a little beauty blender, but I'm just gonna put this powder all over my face. Even though I know that you don't need it with this foundation, I do anyway, so I don't care. Okay, so I'm back. I had a phone call. So I went ahead and finished setting my face, whatever. So now I'm just going to put on blush, contour. I use the Hoola Light Bronzer. I'm gonna use this guy. I'm so excited about this. I don't know why. I love these brushes. That looks so scary. I'm gonna move on to blush. I just use this NYX Ombre blush. I'm gonna use this blush brush. I thought this was a really pretty shade. The only thing about this brush is that it's so, like, pink. I can't tell how much blush I'm putting on it, but, anyway. Yeah. Hopefully I won't, look like a clown, you know? Okay. Or... okay. There we go. I like to go for my nose too. Now we're gonna move on to the highlight, and I've been using the same highlighting brush for years. It's just this Luxie 522? I don't know what it is. I've had it for so long. I know it's a taper highlighter or powder. I don't know. But I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this shade, I'm gonna take that shade, and just mix them, hope for the best. I'm gonna put on mascara. I really want to wear my Velvet Teddy lipstick, but I can't find it. Like, I do not know what happened to it. Let's be real, I might steal my mom's, because I bought her one too. I don't think she's used it yet. Oh yeah, this is the NARS Climax mascara. And the woman at Ulta told me this is good for people with, like, sensitive eyes. Eyes are very sensitive. Even when I'm not, you know, getting makeup in them or stabbing them with mascara. I don't wear fake eyelashes, so I need a mascara that's gonna give me, like, volume and length, and this works really well. I don't have any witch magic had witch magic, I would use it to grow my eyelashes. Now I gotta see if I can find that lipstick. I'm really hoping that I can. Soup. A packet of soup in my purse. I don't even know how long it's been in there. I can't find it. Okay. Look at her. She's so pretty. That was a finishing touch. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you're an OG person, thank you for coming back and watching this. I appreciate it a lot. This is fun to do. I forgot how fun it was. I don't know. I know it's like not an audience technically, but it kind of is. Whatever. Anyway, if you're new, then don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications whenever I upload. And everyone just leave a like if you happen to like the video, or give it a dislike, you know, whatever. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.